Yes, hello, third semester students. Yes, here let's discuss about the very important questions of physical pharmaceutics 1. Okay, and these questions has selected from your previous year question papers. So, better you take these questions what I am telling now. You take these, you practice a lot these questions. No worry if you take all these question papers and practice from all the question papers, all the questions means then also there is no problem. But if you want particular questions means then you go through these questions only. Means from these question papers also I am selecting some of the important questions. If you read that also means you will pass. Or if you read the whole question papers like 2022 or 2020, 21, 2000, then the last collection paper of here is 2019. If you read this also means you will get a very good marks in our examination. So the choice is yours. You can read all these question papers or selected one. See, I will tell you first. Let's start with the 2020-22 question paper. Okay, 2020-22. See here, this question paper just November 2022. Okay, just this for the now what you are in third semester, no? The previous students they have wrote this exam. Means now what you are writing the second semester exam, no? At that time these students have applied. These students have write the this question paper. Now see, very simple. Yes, physical pharmaceutics 1 November 2022. First question is define solubility. Discuss a different mechanism of a solute solvent interaction. See, in this question what you have to write means first you write what is the definition of the solubility. Okay, solubility, that is very important. After writing different mechanism of a solvent solute interaction. Okay, different types of mechanism are there. Now for this mechanism now see, solute and solvent interaction means a solid and a liquid interaction. See, they are just tackle the question here. You know that solute means they are the solid particles, solvent means they are the liquid particles. Here the interaction between the solid and liquid. So you can write here solid liquid interaction. Okay, solid liquid liquid phase, solid liquid phase, gas liquid phase. These three phases are no different types. So here you can write solid liquid. Clear? Keep in mind this one, very good question they have asked. Okay, very good question it is. Yeah, next one is define refractive index, give its application, discuss in detail working of Abbe's refractometer. This is also very important. When just you define first what is this refractive index, then you write some of the applications of refractive index. See, definition, what all the students they will do, they will write just 2 to 3 line definition. No, minimum half a page should be definition, minimum half page. Yeah, definition means in that 2 applications also you write down, no problem. Okay, first you write how much you know what is refractive index. No, first you write that. Angle of refraction, the difference between the ratio of angle of refraction, okay, and angle of repose, what you know, first you write the definition. After that you can add some of the extra points there. You can write some of the laws or you can write some of the advantages. Okay, but half page should be covered in the refractive index. Then applications you write separately. Then at last you come for the working of Abbe's refractometer. Here don't just write Abbe's refractometer, first write what is this Abbe's refractometer. Abbe's refractometer, it is a device which helps to find the refractive index of the particular liquid, refractive index of the particular drug. You can write this one. Then after writing this you just go through the principle, then you go for the construction, then you go for the working. If possible, if page is left means you write the advantages, no problem. Then next one is explain Griffin scale of HLB value. It is also very important. Different methods to determine the HLB value. Here also you have to draw that Griffin scale and you have to write the different method. Means how can you determine the HLB value? Different methods are there. Algebraic, logarithmic methods are there. 2 to 3 methods are there. You can write that one. Okay. Then the now see in short notes what they ask, short essays, 5 marks questions. The first question here is they ask state distribution law along with its limitation. Distribution law you can write easily. Distribution law. Okay, Nernst law, both are same. Distribution law also same, Nernst law also same. Then write a note on Royle's law. Yes, Royle's law, you can explain those one derivation is there. See, for Royle's law we can write that one. Okay, then what are eutectic mixtures? Eutectic mixtures, see, these eutectic mixtures you are familiar in the first semester of your pharmaceutics. You can write the same answer here, no problem. Then explain in detail spreading coefficient with relevant equation. Okay, you have to write this one, spreading coefficient. It comes under your practical. Then what are myceliae? Explain its formation. How does mycelia form? Means what your soap property. Mycelia, formation of mycelia, it is a property of the soap or detergent. How they get forms? By lyophilization, by lipophilization. Okay, you have to write this one. Then define complexes, classify with example. Very important question, asked many times. You can write this complexes. Then explain solubility method for analysis of the complex. This particular they ask solubility method, pH method, solubility method. Different methods are there to analyze the complexes. Here they ask solubility method. Then define pH, explain Sorensen's pH scale. You have to draw the Sorensen's pH scale and you have to explain that all. Means very simple. Above, what is the basic value for the pH? Basic value means above 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What is the acidic value? Below 7, 6.9, 6.5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the acidic value. Now neutral value is 7, exact 7, it is the neutral value. This you have to explain. It's enough. It's enough for you. Then write a note on buffer capacity. Very important. First you write the buffer capacity. First you write what is this buffer, then you explain the buffer capacity. Okay, types of buffers are there: biological buffers, physical buffers, chemical buffers. These all you have to write. Then importance of buffers also you have to write here. Then 2 marks questions, you write from these, you copy from these all. November 2022 question paper, you have to practice all these 2 marks questions. I will upload this question paper in the description. You can download this one. Next, let's go to the 2021 question paper. 2021 question paper. Just I will discuss here 3 question papers. It's enough for you. If you want better experience, means you can go through all the question papers. Then physical pharmaceutics-1, here also see 2021 November. Here same question they have asked solubility, then factors affecting the solubility of the solids in liquids. See what I have told, solids in liquid means here what? Solute in liquid, solute in solvent. Okay, solute in solvent. Then describe principal construction workings of up base refractometer, same. Then define absorption isotherm. Then Fredlich and Lingmuir absorption isotherms. One derivation is there, you have to derive this one. Then term conjugated solution, very important one. Conjugated solution, it is also very important. Then define dielectric constant, very important. Then you go for the or. In fourth one, or you select. Explain organic molecular complex. Yes, very important one. Organic, inorganic. In that inorganic you will get metallic type of the complexes. Go through that. Then what are buffers? Yes, very important one. Explain the derive an equation for weak acid and its salts. Then 6th question you go, explain the different methods to determine HLB of a surfactant. See what we discussed now in 10 mark, here they ask in 5 mark. Then enumerate the 7th one, enumerate different methods of analysis of the complex, solubility method of complex. See many times they ask solubility method, sometimes they ask electrometric method. Okay, by using that electric devices you can also determine the complexes. Solubility by solubility method also you can determine the complexes or analyze the complex. So then what is pH? Then Sorensen's pH scale. Yes, very important. Then state and explain Nernst distribution law along with its limitation. Nernst means nothing but that is only distribution law. Okay, distribution law, Nernst, equilibrium law, these all are same. Remember, these points are very important, you have to keep in mind. Okay, these points are very important. Never the examiner will ask the same question, just he will tilt the question or just he will ask in a different manner. The answer will be same, but the asking nature from 2021 since not 21, 22, the question paper of yours is a little bit different, means tricky question paper, but the question paper is same, easy only, but they will just trick the questions. Okay, so you have to go through the synonym also very important. Next you come through the 2020 question paper. See, this one is the last question paper I am going to discuss, so better you can download from the description and go through these question papers. See what the intention of me to come in front of you here is just to give the knowledge what to write in the examination. Okay, many students, they don't know what to write, how to tackle the examination. That is very difficult for the students. So to overcome that issue, I have come here. So you better, what you do means, you just follow these tricks, these techniques. If you practice means, more than enough, you can easily score good marks. And also, if you are fearing for the tension, means for the year backlog, means by applying this trick for any semester, you can come back to your year backlog also. So better you follow these tricks. Yes, see, factors influencing solubility of the drugs. See this question, solubility, influencing, then solid liquid interactions or solute solvent interactions. You take one notebook and write down this question. Fix, you will get this question. Then refractive index, same, fixed one, working of a base refractometer. Sometimes they will ask in 5 marks, no problem, we are getting at least 5 marks, no, else they are not in for 10 marks, means they are asking in 5 marks, no, we will get their 5 marks at least. So don't miss a single question from the question papers. Read that. See, hardly you will get only 10 questions from the hardly you will get 15 questions from the 5 marks, hardly, because maximum repeated questions. And from the 10 mark session, you will get only 6 questions, repeated questions are there. Yes. Next is a define surface tension. Explain the ideal measurement of surface tension by capillary rise method. Very important one. Capillary rise method also they ask many times. So you go through this capillary rise method. Okay, capillary rise method. It comes under the surface tension only. Then explain a real solution with example. Which one? Real solution with example. Real and ideal. That both they will ask. Difference between, sometimes they will ask difference between ideal and difference between real solution. Then dielectric constant, write an application in pharmacy. What is the application of dielectric constant? Okay, that is also very important. Then describe the Griffin's HLB scale. Yes, very important one. Then solubilization process. Describe the solubilization. How solubilization takes place. This is also very important. Write a note on complexation. Simple, you have to write what is the complexation, then types of the complexation, applications, advantages, disadvantages. Yes, it's enough. Then describe pH titration method. See, I have told you pH titration, solubility method, or the electrometric method. These are the three. From these three, one will be fixed for your examination. Then write a note on buffer capacity. Same. Then write a note on critical solution temperature and its application. Yeah, critical solution temperature. It is also very, very, very important question. And these are 2 marks. You have to go through all these 2 marks questions. See, if you practice this only, means only 3 question papers. What I have discussed now, 2022 November, 2021 November, then 2020 January. If you practice this means, you will easily pass in your examination. This is more than enough for you. So better what I am telling is you practice these questions for your exam. Okay, if you are feeling very difficult to tackle all these question papers, means better you can go through these 3 question papers. Clear what I am telling? No sir, we can read having a lot of time. We are having from today, we are having now see February, January, February, March, April. We are having 3 months. Sir, we will cover that one, means no problem, you can cover. Clear what I am telling you? So better you practice from today and go through this previous year question papers. I will upload in the description. Clear? Thank you.